The security guard notices the intruder hesitating near the access gate, looking around suspiciously before attempting to walk through without showing ID.
Sir, this is restricted area. Can I see your bag and identification and pass?
Oh, I left my pass at home, but I need to get inside. My boss said that I could enter.
Without proper identification, I can let you through. Who is your supervisor?
I don't have time for this. Have argument business inside. Just let me in.
This is a letter comedian at the main gate. We have an individual attempting unauthorized entry without proper identification. They are becoming agitated and insisting on access, requesting immediately assistance.
Copy that I on my way. Maintain your position and ensure the individual does not enter. Copy, copy.
The security guard keeps an eye on the intruder, ensuring they don't move past the checkpoint while maintaining a safe distance.
I am the port facility security officer. What seems to be issue here?
This individual attempted to enter without proper identification.
Sir, this is the security facility. Without proper authorization, you cannot enter. You can provide any official documentation.
I told you. I left my pass at home. I work here. I just need to grab something from my station.
Sir, who is your supervisor? Can I verify them? Security control. This is Sergeant Sarel Kual. We have a possible authorized access attempt. Notify local law enforcement and dispatch additional personnel to the main gate.
Okay.
Have you seen this individual before?
No, I don't recognize them.
Do they work here?
I don't know.
Okay.
I never seen them around the port before.
Sir, you are in a restricted area. Without a proper identification, we need to ask you a few questions.
Thank you for watching.